Hello and welcome. My name is Vikila. Today I'm dealing in this lesson with African rhythm. You watched the. If you didn't watch the introduction, please go and watch it. It summarizes the ways in which African rhythm can be created. There are more ways than that anyway, but here is a second method where we use chords to create a rhythm. And let me play here in the key of let's say G flat. Okay, and I'm gonna play a chord progression which is 1 4 1 5. So it goes 1 4 1 5 1 4 1 5 1 4 1 5, and these are fast changes, by the way. It's not the same chord progression played on Western music could sound a little bit different, because you might want to chop a chord 4 times. You know, you may want to play that. You can do that as well. That's a nice another nice way. You would be counting 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's a basic way of creating a rhythm. Okay, so in this key of G flat, this is G flat here on the 7th fret, on the 7th fret, 2nd string. That's my G there, flat, G flat, sorry, and the rest of the chord is like that. It's a C shape, so you can see these string bars, I mean these finger bars on the 6th fret there, the first finger there, and the second finger drops on the 2nd string, 7th fret, and this ring finger drops onto the 4th string, 8th fret, and the pinky drops onto the 5th string, 9th fret. Okay, just like that. So that's a G flat, and the 4th of that would be right here. Now the 4th is, this is the key here, which is, that's a C there, C flat there, or you can go, it's actually a B. That's your C flat. Okay, that's a C there, C flat or B. So it's gonna be a B there. So you're gonna have a chord like that. The first finger can actually bar on the 7th fret throughout, and the second finger drops on the 3rd string, fret number 8. The pinky drops on the 4th string, fret number 9, and the ring finger drops on the 5th string, fret number 9, like that. Okay, now it's up to you to choose the 5th. You can move 2 frets up like that. Now you have your 5th there, or you can play it, say you're here, you can play it on the back of this. And normally I don't play the major chord there, such as I play major add 6, which is this one here. Now you're fretting to show you the full chord. This is the full chord here. It's played like that. This is the G form. Okay, now for this one, the pinky is on fret number 7, string number 1, and this ring finger is on string number 6, fret number 7, and the second finger is on string number 5, fret number actually we're going fret number, I've gone a bit too far here. It's supposed to be on fret number, this is fret number 8 and fret number 9, so the pinky is on fret number 9 and first string, and the second finger or the second finger is on fret number 8, fifth string, and the ring finger is on fret number 9, sixth string, and this index finger bars on fret number, you can see there's fret number 6. Okay, fret number 6, it bars across. Okay, sorry for the first mistake there, number of frets. So we go. Okay, now this chord can be summarized like this. You can actually take off and then you fret it like that. Okay, so that means the pinky is on fret number 9, string number 1, and this first finger is barring strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, like that. Now, if you want to avoid ringing this one and it goes out of chord, you can fret it on fret number 8, the 5th string. But normally, and then if you remove that, that's this is a root, and this is a 7th, and this is a flat 7, and then that's a 6th there. So it's a major add 6. Now the root of this chord is here. Now that's a C sharp there. You can see this is C. There's a C sharp there. That's a C sharp there. Okay, C sharp, and so you let's now do a chord progression using those 3 chords. Okay, 1, 4, 1, 5. So let's start. Now we can add a drum there and go a bit faster. So basically the strum is the downward strum. That's the main thing that you're hearing there. Now it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's a 4 time. And it's you may want to change that a little bit so that it sounds, or it gets in tune with the song, the African song that you might want to sing there, because this might be too slow for the African song. So if you make it faster. So if I put a drum there, that's another way of strumming, by the way. There are lots of things going on there. Now, that is use of chords. So you're strumming the chords, and needless to say, there are millions of ways of strumming a chord. you can do what you want. if you put a drum there, so that's another way of. I've shown you 3 ways of strumming the chord. You can put some mutes in the chord or some rests in the chord, just to create a space for someone else to put a solo, or to put a bass there, or to put a keyboard, or a marimba instrument, or a mbira instrument, or any other type instrument, of a flute or anything. So you can leave a gap, which I might call a rest, if you want, if you will. You put a rest, and then within that rest, someone else is gonna play something there. Okay. So this is a way of giving each other chances of playing over that piece of music. So the rhythm holds the kind of the heartbeat of the music, and then the other instruments, guitar or lead guitar or bass, would actually feed into there. That's a rhythm created from a rhythm guitar. Okay. Let's try something else. So you could hear that I started off that rhythm with a bit of, I was putting a rest somewhere I wouldn't strum all the time, and then I went on to strum throughout, and then I went back to leaving a rest. So you can play that rhythm over your machine, record it, and then find out how you can solo over it. It becomes even more easier for you to solo over such a rhythm, because it gives you space to express other things within the rest. Okay, so this is one way of creating African. There are so many chords and so many chord progressions. The chord progression that I've been using in this one is called a 1-4-1-5. And by the way, for you to get chord progressions from any scale, these chords are coming from the major scale, and for you to get any chord progressions from a scale, you need to harmonize the scale with chords. And if you harmonize the major scale, I was playing in the key of in that key there. Now if I'm going to harmonize that, it means I create chords going that way using notes that are found only in that scale of G flat. Okay, so to harmonize, the first chord, which is formed from the first degree, is a major chord. The second chord is a minor chord. The third chord is a minor chord. The fourth chord is a major chord. The fifth chord is a major chord. The sixth chord is a minor chord. The seventh chord is a diminished chord. It's like that. And back to the eighth chord, which is the octave. another G flat. It's a major chord. So remember that when you harmonize a scale with or the major scale with chords, 3-note chords, you create the first degree is a major, the second degree is a minor, the third degree is a minor chord, the fourth degree is a major chord, the fifth degree is a major chord, the sixth degree is a minor chord, and the seventh degree is a diminished chord, and back to the octave, which is a major. Now, and relatively speaking, the sixth is the relative of this major, which is the root. Okay, it's a relative minor of the root. So you have to know that, and this is the lesson. So make sure you harmonize the scale with the major scale, and then the major scale with chords, and then you try to do some chord progressions, and you change your strumming patterns to make sure you create different kinds of rhythm. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I'll meet you in the next video where we show you how to create rhythm. And by the way, I'm gonna do a DVD that is full of this stuff, so watch out.